Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland, is situated in the Central Belt region and blends ancient charm with modern sophistication. Divided into the historic Old Town and the elegant Georgian New Town, the city offers a rich mix of old-world ambiance and contemporary style. Edinburgh is renowned for its vibrant festivals and entertainment scene, making it an ideal destination for both culture and education. Wander through the Old Town's maze-like alleys and historic castle, or explore the Georgian splendor of the New Town and Calton Hill. The stunning backdrop of Arthur's Seat and the Pentland Hills enhances the city's allure. In this video, we'll explore the 10 best places to visit in Edinburgh. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Now let's get started. Number 1. Edinburgh Castle. Perched atop the highest point in Edinburgh, Edinburgh Castle is a majestic fortress with a history spanning over 1,000 years. It stands as the city's iconic symbol and is renowned worldwide, attracting visitors as Scotland's top tourist destination. The castle's oldest section dates back to the 12th century, while parts of it were built in the 1500s. The fortress was completed with the addition of a war memorial following World War I. Visitors can explore this historic site with the help of an audio guide, immersing themselves in its rich and complex history. 2. Edinburgh's Old Town. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, since 1995, Old Town of Edinburgh is renowned for its tall, centuries-old buildings and narrow alleyways. Preserving its medieval street plan, it remains a vibrant part of the city. Dominating the Old Town is Edinburgh Castle, perched on an extinct volcano. The castle houses Scotland's oldest crown jewels and includes St. Margaret's Chapel, the city's oldest building dating back to the 11th century. For panoramic views, visit Calton Hill, which offers stunning perspectives of the expansive Old Town and the Edinburgh skyline. Perfect for memorable photos. 3. Calton Hill. Located at the east end of Princes Street in Edinburgh, Calton Hill is part of the city's UNESCO World Heritage Site. This prominent hill offers stunning panoramic views of Edinburgh. It features several notable structures, including the National Monument of Scotland, inspired by Athens' Parthenon, and the City Observatory, designed in Greek temple style. Calton Hill is also home to St. Andrew's House, the headquarters of the Scottish Government, and is near the Scottish Parliament Building and Holyrood Palace. Each year, the Beltane Fire Festival, a vibrant celebration, takes place on the last day of April on Calton Hill. 4. Arthur's Seat, one of Edinburgh's 7 hills, dominates the city skyline and offers panoramic views of landmarks like Edinburgh Castle, the Old Town, and the New Town. As the principal peak in a group of hills within Holyrood Park, Arthur's Seat rises 250 meters above the city. This dormant volcano last erupted around 300 million years ago. Its relatively gentle slopes make it a favored spot for hiking, accessible even to children. The hill's prominence and the ease of the climb have made it a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts, providing stunning vistas of Edinburgh's diverse landscapes. 5. Scott Monument. The Scott Monument is a towering Victorian Gothic tribute to Scottish author Sir Walter Scott, making it the largest author-dedicated monument globally. Erected in Edinburgh's Princes Street Gardens, it honors Scott following his death in 1832. The monument reaches a height of 200 feet 6 inches and features 287 steps leading to the top. Besides the central statue of Scott, the monument includes various statues of notable authors and writers. This grand structure celebrates Scott's literary legacy and stands as a significant architectural and cultural landmark. 6. St. Giles Cathedral, located in Edinburgh's Old Town, is a historic church over 900 years old, known as the High Kirk of Edinburgh. It serves as a significant civic service centre for esteemed orders like the Thistle and hosts the kirking of the Parliament. Recognized as the principal place of worship, it is also considered the Mother Church of Presbyterianism. Dedicated to St. Giles, the patron saint of Edinburgh, St. Giles's Cathedral holds weekly services open to tourists. This enduring church continues to play a vital role in the city's religious and civic life. 7. Princes Street. Princes Street is a prominent avenue in central Edinburgh, renowned for its elite boutiques and stores on the northern side and its picturesque gardens and parklands to the south. Stretching about 1.2 kilometers from Leith Street in the east to Lothian Road in the west, it forms the southernmost street of the city's new town. Prince's Street, constructed around 1770 during King George III's reign, and named after his sons Prince Frederick and Prince George, showcases a blend of architectural styles from the Georgian period to the late 20th century. The street offers stunning views of the Old Town, Edinburgh Castle, and the surrounding valley. While most of Prince's Street is now restricted to trams, buses, and taxis, the eastern end remains open to general traffic. 8. Portabello Beach. Just a few miles from Edinburgh's city centre, Portabello Beach offers a stunning seaside retreat perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and seaside strolls. This popular beach spans about 2 miles, featuring sparkling sand and scenic views. The beach, known for its Seaside Award, is lively on sunny days and hosts events like international volleyball tournaments, the annual Big Beach Busk, and triathlons. Nearby, the Portabello Kayaking and Sailing Club adds to the area's appeal for water sports. The promenade is lined with Georgian and Victorian buildings within a conservation area, including the Portabello Swim Centre. Visitors can also enjoy various bars and cafes for refreshments. 9. Ross Fountain. In Edinburgh's West Princes Street Gardens, the Ross Fountain stands out with its impressive neoclassical Beaux Arts design by sculptor Jean-Baptiste Jules Clagman. At its top, 4 female figures represent science, arts, poetry, and industry. The base is adorned with mermaids, walruses, cherubs, and lion heads, showcasing intricate 19th century cast iron artistry. Originally exhibited at the Great Exhibition in 1862, the fountain was purchased by local gunmaker Daniel Ross for GBP 2,000 and gifted to the city. It was disassembled into 122 pieces, transported to Leith in 1869, and installed in 1872. Re-inaugurated in 2018, it is now vibrantly painted in turquoise, gold, and brown. 10. Scottish Highlands. Starting from Edinburgh, the Scottish Highland Tour invites visitors to immerse themselves in the breathtaking beauty and mystique of one of Scotland's most famous regions. As travelers journey through the Highlands, they'll encounter verdant hills, dramatic peaks, and cascading waterfalls. A highlight of the tour is a visit to the historic Loch Ness, where expert guides share intriguing stories and insights into the area's rich history. The tour also includes stops at stunning locations like Glencoe, celebrated for its picturesque views and significant role in Scottish heritage. Visitors can savor traditional Scottish dishes such as haggis and sample exceptional Scotch whiskies at local distilleries, enriching their Highland experience.